make you want to move.
Probably directed for us to finance. He's the boss of the organisation. I've had the conversation with finance and they've told me that that's what will happen. But I suppose I'm not, without putting Robert on the spot, he's the boss and I don't know what he tells me.
Definitely. If that's what has been discussed, DJ, then that's the structure that goes. Simple as that.
Is that?
Sama sumen satu dari exam finance pada outstanding mas, baru semua ini buat. Ya. BJ asking why do we still continue to have issues when everything contractual is very clear, and I totally agree. What are the steps that we're taking, because this is an area that we manage in finance. How do we make sure it doesn't happen again? They're exactly right.
So I'll go and sit down with finance today and talk you through everything. Apparently they misunderstood the spreadsheet and thought we weren't getting paid until Georgia. Even though we payment date is the 12th of July, so we only paid until the 6th. Don't know why they did that or whether that decision was made, but I'll sit with them today and make sure it isn't made again.
Because we've spoken this 3 times, eh? So the boys need to know why. They need the answer. Why? This is unprofessional from your side, to be honest.
But I can't tell you why finance made that decision only to pay until the 6th. We provided all that information to be paid until the 12th. So, and through to the 20th. So they've got all your daily allowance things, information up until the 20th.
And somebody is supposed to be held accountable of this situation. And this was
Totally wise. We'll make sure that finance becomes accountable for the issue that has happened. And moving forward, the issue becomes a thing of the past.
Certainly this is not the first time, or the second time, or the third time. This is been years and years happening.
Yeah.
And who's in charge of finance?